Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Darren, aka the Six Figure Dad. Here's my tip of the day video. So you should be, if you're in the UK, 7 a.m. Good morning, rise and shine. If you're not, welcome. Click that subscribe button below, and of course click on that little bell too, so you get notified of the next video I release, 7 a.m. UK time. Okay, little tip today for you guys is how to get the algorithms working for you on TikTok. Okay, now what I've seen working really well currently, because of course strategies do change all the time, but right now what's working really well, not necessarily about using hashtags, it's more about using a hook in the first place. So your hook can be, say, something related to an online business. So if it is that online business in the hook, so in kind of captions in bold as a header, okay, and then throughout your video drop in those keywords into the topic, into the conversation, at least on 2 separate occasions. So talk about an online business and then go on to talk about your story and about who you are and about the value of your online business. Okay, so that's twice. Mention that throughout the content with the header, okay, and don't forget to use a call to action, because a call to action is going to tell your potential customers what they need to do next to find out more information about what you're talking about. Try that strategy for a while. See how that impacts your growth on TikTok. I hope it helps. I'll see you next time. Have a great day, guys.